Just a short flight away awaits a holiday paradise for even the most seasoned of sun-seekers. Located in a fantastic area, this beach offers the escape you've been looking for, where you can enjoy sunset beach walks without special someone. With a bus stop nearby, all the local sites are easy to get to. But if the sand doesn't do it for you, then why not spend a peaceful day fishing, just you and your thoughts? Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.